Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is best according to my recommendation. You can definitely check out from there. Let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designing course by WDC, web designing course. And if we scroll down, this is the overview of the UI UX and all the theory part. These are the career opportunities after completion of course. And if we do go down, it's a UI UX course highlight. Industry projects are there, placement partners are there, certified professionals are there, 100% placement is there, and it is outline of the course, visual design, wireframing, important topic, usability, interaction design, and these are the modules, and these are the course outcome. If we scroll up, these are the UI UX tools: Sketch, Photoshop, Illustrator, InVision, XP. Figma is missing. Figma is the important tool in the UI UX, and AI tools are also missing, like Framer and ChatGPT and Figma Make, and rest nothing is there. No testimonial, no portfolio. So let's give a rating according to these parameters. Curriculum will be 0 0.5. User research fundamental is 1. UI design quality is also 0 0.5. Hand-on project is not there. Tools and software training is also 0 0.5 because AI tools are missing, and most importantly, Figma is missing. Mentorship and feedback is 0. Portfolio development is 0. Placement career support is 1. And course value fees is 0 0.5. And industry relevance update is also 0 0.5. So if we count down about total, it's a 4.5 out of 10, and so it's a below average course. Many courses are in the market which offers many best solutions in terms of UI UX course. Also, I will add the best UI UX course according to my recommendation, which covers all the weightage related to UI UX and also the depth about the fundamentals related to UI, which also help in portfolio development and placement and career support after the completion of course. You can check out the link from the description I will add in the video. Thank you.